Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fitria Handayani. Today I will presentation about workplace bullying and harassment. What is workplace bullying? Workplace bullying is a persistent pattern of mistreatment from others in the workplace that causes either physical or emotional harm. It can include such tactics as verbal, non-verbal, physical abuse, and humiliation. This type of workplace aggression is particularly difficult because, unlike the typical school bully, workplace bullies often operate within the established rules and policies of other organizations and their society. In the majority of cases, bullying in the workplace is reported as having been done by someone who has authority over the victim. However, bullies can also be peers and occasionally subordinates. Types of bullying. Verbal. This could include mockery, humiliation, jokes, gossip, or other spoken abuse. Intimidating. This might include threats, social exclusion in the workplace, pain, or other invasion of privacy. Relate to work performance. Example include wrongful blame, work sabotage, or interference, or stealing or taking credit for ideas. Retaliatory. In some cases, talking about the bullying can lead to accusation of laying further exclusion, refuse promotion, or other retaliation. Institutional bullying happens when a workplace accepts, allows, and even encourages bullying to take place. This bullying may include unrealistic production goals, forced overtime, or singling out those who cannot keep up. How does bullying affect the workplace? Workplaces with high rates of bullying can also experience negative consequences such as financial loss resulting from legal costs or bullying investigation, decreased productivity and morale, increased employee absence, high turnover rates, poor team dynamics, reduced trust, effort, and loyalty from employees. People who bully may eventually face consequences such as formal reprimands, transfer, or job loss, but many types of bullying aren't illegal. When bullying isn't addressed, it becomes easier for people to continue bullying, especially when the bullying is subtle. Bullies who take credit for work or intentionally make others look bad may end up receiving praise or being promoted. What to do if you are being bullied at work? Report the bullying. Your place may have a distant person you can talk to if you don't feel safe talking to your direct supervisor. Human research is a good place to start. It's also possible to talk about the bullying with someone higher up if your supervisor is unhelpful or is the person doing the bullying. Confront the bully. If you know who's bullying you, bring along a trustworthy witness, such as a CO worker or supervisor, and ask them to stop. If you feel comfortable doing so, become direct and polite. Review work policy. Your employee handbook may outline steps of action or policies against bullying. Also, consider reviewing state or even federal policies about the type of bullying you are experiencing. Seek legal guidance. Consider talking to a lawyer, depending on the circumstance of the bullying. Legal action may not always be possible, but a lawyer can offer special advice. Reach out to others. Social workers may be may be able to offer support. Talking to your loved ones about the bullying can also help. You can also talk to a therapist. They can provide professional support and help you explore ways to cope with the effect of bullying while you take other action. What is harassment? Harassment is a form of discrimination. It includes any unwanted physical or verbal behavior that often or humiliates you. Generally, harassment is a behavior that persists over time. Serious one-time incidents can also sometimes be considered harassment. Example of harassment: a colleague repeatedly makes fun of your hijab. Manager regularly makes inappropriate comments about your physical appearance. An employee threatens your safety following a heated discussion. A supervisor rubs your shoulder despite your repeated objection. What employees should do if they are bullied or harassed? Employees should see if they can sort out the problem informally first. If they cannot, they should talk to their manager, human resource department, trade union representative. If this does not work, they can make a formal complaint using their employer's grievance procedure. If this doesn't work and they're still being harassed, they can take legal action at an employment tribunal. Employer responsibilities. Employers are responsible for preventing bullying and harassment. They are liable for any harassment suffered by their employees. Anti-bullying and harassment police can help prevent problems because has produced a booklet for employers including advice on setting up a police as well as how to recognize, deal with and prevent bullying and harassment. Okay, I think that's enough. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.